Okay guys, today I'm gonna solve this pyraminx Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna solve the corners. So I have to do 4 corners. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope computer doesn't stop my recording now. And now I'm gonna solve the wet side. Wait, I'm gonna solve the blue side first. Or I'm gonna solve the green side. So I'm gonna solve the green side. Whoa. Now I'm gonna solve the yellow side. Now I'm gonna solve the blue side. Now for the wet. Oh wait, I just got 2 sides. Now I'm gonna do this inner pieces. Okay, this is the last turn. Okay, now the pyraminx is solved. So guys, when I solved the pyraminx for the first time, I solved the pyraminx for the first time at probably 8, but it was quite hard. But then now I mastered. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.